When Toyota revived the Tacoma TRD Pro for 2026, they didn't just update a pickup, they redefined what capability and comfort mean in a mid-size truck. This isn't just a truck for hauling gear or commuting to work, it's a machine built for serious adventure, with a unique blend of power, technology, rugged design, and on- and off-road prowess that's rare in this segment. The 2026 Tacoma TRD Pro stands at the top of the Tacoma lineup, a flagship off-road pickup that looks as tough as it performs. In this video, we're going to explore every angle, from engine specs, performance numbers, and real-world capability, to the interior comfort, safety features, design elements, and the things that truly set this truck apart in 2026. When you first lay eyes on the Tacoma TRD Pro, there's an immediate sense that this truck means business. Rough, aggressive lines meet purposeful proportions that look ready for both city streets and the most challenging trails. Built on Toyota's TNGA-F global truck platform, the Tacoma's structure shares DNA with larger platforms like the Tundra, Sequoia, and even the Land Cruiser, meaning the chassis is engineered for durability and optimized rugged performance. High-strength steel and carefully engineered welding points help increase rigidity while keeping unnecessary weight down. One look at the front end and the TRD Pro identity is unmistakable. A distinctive front bumper with high approach angles, a rugged grille, and premium LED headlights give the truck a commanding presence. That presence continues along the sides with widened fender flares, standard 18-inch black TRD alloy wheels, and chunky 33-inch Goodyear all-terrain tires, providing trail-ready grip right from the factory. Performance and capability are central to the TRD Pro experience. And for 2026, Toyota has equipped this truck with its most powerful hybrid powertrain ever offered in a Tacoma. The TRD Pro comes standard with Toyota's iForce Max hybrid system, which marries a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with a substantial 48-horsepower electric motor integrated between the engine and the 8-speed automatic transmission. The result is 326 horsepower and a stout 465 pound-feet of torque, a torque figure that gives this truck serious grunt for both trail work and towing. That torque matters because it's low-end strength that counts when you're crawling over rocks, traction hopping up a hill, or pulling a loaded trailer. And speaking of towing, the Tacoma TRD Pro can pull up to 6,000 pounds and handle a payload of roughly 1,680 pounds. Solid numbers for a mid-size truck with off-road hardware. The hybrid engine setup also contributes to relatively efficient fuel economy for what this truck is capable of. EPA estimates hover around 22 miles per gallon city and 24 miles per gallon highway, with about 23 miles per gallon combined. Impressive for a powerful four-door pickup ready to tackle both daily driving and off-road challenges without guzzling fuel. Acceleration in a truck like this isn't usually measured in pure speed, but rather confidence. And in straight-line testing, the Tacoma TRD Pro covers 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 7.1 seconds. That's brisk for a truck this size, especially when paired with the hybrid torque boost that keeps power on tap through low and mid-range speeds. Off-road performance is where the TRD Pro really earns its name. Toyota engineers have equipped this truck with TRD-tuned Fox QS3 adjustable shocks featuring remote rear piggyback reservoirs, Fox internal floating piston bump stops, and a rugged multi-link rear suspension setup that helps the Tacoma absorb huge terrain changes while keeping wheels planted for traction. Ground clearance sits at an impressive 11.5 inches, allowing you to navigate rocky terrain, logs, and uneven trails with confidence. A locking rear differential, automatic limited slip differential, and Toyota's suite of off-road aids like crawl control and multi-terrain select ensure that traction is optimized whether you're on mud, sand, gravel, or dirt. And because off-roading doesn't always mean leisurely cruising, Toyota has outfitted the TRD Pro with special features like ISO dynamic performance seats, a first in this segment, designed to reduce head and neck movement over rough terrain so you stay comfortable even when the trail gets rough. Lengthwise, the 2026 Tacoma TRD Pro measures around 214.2 inches long, a footprint that's significant but still manageable for a truck this capable. The wheelbase of roughly 131.9 inches contributes to both stability on rough surfaces and predictable handling on road, whether you're cruising highway stretches or navigating tight mountain switchbacks. Toyota hasn't overlooked practicality either. The Tacoma TRD Pro's bed measures approximately 60.3 inches long, which is typical for a 5-foot truck bed on a crew cab configuration, offering enough room for gear, camping equipment, or construction tools without being unwieldy. Inside the cabin, front passengers enjoy about 41.8 inches of legroom and 38 inches of headroom, while rear passengers aren't cramped either, with roughly 33.7 inches of legroom and 38.4 inches of headroom, plenty for adults on long drives. On the inside, the Tacoma TRD Pro mixes rugged utility with a surprising amount of technology and comfort. Toyota has equipped the truck with a 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easy to connect your phone for navigation, music, and hands-free calls. Toyota's SafetySense 3.0 suite comes standard, bringing advanced driver assist systems like adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. This suite is particularly important if you're heading into the outdoors or towing in busy traffic, because it helps reduce driver workload and increase confidence on long journeys. Comfort features include available heated seats, ample storage spaces, and premium trims that make even daily driving a pleasant experience, a trait that's been part of Tacoma's appeal for years. While traditional work trucks can feel Spartan inside, the TRD Pro blends capability with creature comforts that make road trips, errands, or off-road expeditions equally enjoyable. Another unique selling point of the 2026 TRD Pro is the balance it strikes between rugged capability and everyday usability. Toyota didn't just leave the off-road stuff to stiff suspensions and aggressive styling. They've engineered this truck so that even on paved roads, on-ramps, and urban settings, it feels confident, stable, and comfortable. That's a characteristic mid-size truck buyers increasingly expect, especially at this price point. Speaking of price, the 2026 Tacoma TRD Pro starts at around $64,450 MSRP in the United States, making it one of the most expensive trims in the Tacoma lineup, but also among the most capable factory-built mid-size trucks on the market. Add options like bed lighting, roof racks, or auxiliary accessories, and that starting price can rise further. But most buyers find the value lies in the hardware and rugged capability that comes straight from Toyota. This truck isn't just for weekend warriors or off-road enthusiasts either. Toyota's design ensures that the Tacoma TRD Pro is still a capable daily driver. From its fuel economy figures that make everyday commuting affordable to the towing and payload capacity that makes it a legitimate workhorse if you need it to be. Now, some critics might point out that the hybrid powertrain, while potent and efficient, doesn't deliver hypercar-like acceleration. And they'd be right. This truck isn't about drag strip times. It's about predictable, controlled, terrain-conquering performance combined with practical everyday usability. That's exactly what most Tacoma buyers want. So if you're in the market for a mid-size truck that's equally at home tackling desert trails, climbing rocky switchbacks, cruising down highways with a loaded trailer, or hauling gear without hesitation, the 2026 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro deserves serious consideration. It's a truck that reflects Toyota's decades-long leadership in off-road design, hybrid efficiency, and real-world reliability, all wrapped in a package that's as capable as it looks. In every sense: power, presence, engineering, versatility, and comfort, the 2026 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro makes a bold statement as one of the most capable mid-size trucks you can buy today.